pumatay, paano pumatay, basta makita lang nila dyan ang kabulagta, they will add it and say, these are the people who died in the Philippines. It's pure speculation. And yet makita natin yung mga biktima nila are in disarray. Totally dysfunctional. Paano yung mga bata? Paano yung pagkain? Paano yung edukasyon? Hindi na naisip nila yan. Kaya putang ina ninyo, papatayin ko talaga kayo because you are destroying the very fabric of society. I do not believe that it's 1.6 million. More than. I think the original figure of Santiago is the correct one. But I can just imagine 3 billion Filipinos addicted to drugs.